Well, about a third of our valuation is associated with electric vehicles, EVs, and scaling them. And as you mentioned, Turkey, a plant there. Many countries do want a Tesla plant because this is the new world right. So that's good. This is all working out. And then the then tooth. Thirds of our valuation is around autonomous tax platforms. We think Tesla is in the pole position here in the United States. It has collected more data about our roads and actually other roads around the world than all of the other companies combined, and therefore it has more corner cases and probably will be the company that will get people from point A to point B as quickly and safely as possible. So the risks are going down because regulators are very data-driven. And what regulators have been experiencing, especially in the transportation sector, is that the number of auto deaths in the United States has gone up during the past 5 to 10 years from 30,000 to 45. 000 after decades of falling thanks to auto safety measures, economic weakness. There has been a bit of a backlash, I would say, and a pause, because you do have GM and Ford saying, wait a minute, we're going to take a pause here ourselves because we can't do this profitably, by the way. That's a positive for. From analyzing stock selling tactics to revealing the unrealized potential in Tesla's diversified ecosystem system, Kathy shares her fascinating insights on why she is investing more heavily in Tesla stock than ever before. Join us as we take you on a journey through the fascinating world of Tesla and discover why Kathy Wood is all in. Crystal ball. While everyone else is worried about inflation, if you have the numbers telling you otherwise, that's your ticket to the big bucks. It all comes down to following the data, people. Trust Kathy, it will pay off in the end. Let's talk more about Tesla. Lately, investors have had a difficult ride, with the stock plunging a staggering 29% in 2024. But wait, is there a bright side? Despite the depressing headlines, Landon Swan, co-founder of Likefolio, has some intriguing information to give. Landon's team actually issued a bullish alert to their hedge fund clients a few weeks back. They've noticed a divergence between the stock's performance and the underlying data. Sure, Tesla faced a 12% drop after their last report, mainly due to increased costs and fuzzy guidance. And yes, there's been some noise in the EV market, with hybrids gaining traction and big players like hers making moves away from EVs. But here's the kicker: when you look at the numbers, most of Tesla's vehicles are holding strong. Take the Model Y, for example. This crossover SUV has been a standout performer for Tesla, captivating consumers with its sleek design, impressive range, and advanced features. Despite facing high expectations, it has surpassed all doubts, becoming one of the best-selling electric vehicles in its class. And then there's the much-anticipated Tesla truck, which has sent shock waves through the automotive, pushing boundaries like never before. But here's where it gets interesting. While Tesla stock is taking a nosedive, their online presence is soaring. Web visits are up while mentions of Tesla are on the rise. That's a positive sign, folks. So what's Landon's take? Well, he's bullish on Tesla for the long haul. He's not letting personal feelings. It's all about staying ahead of the curve, people. And with Tesla, the road ahead might be smoother than you think. What if I told you that Kathy's bullish stance on Tesla goes way beyond just electric vehicles? That's what he does. Landon believes that the data is looking pretty darn good, so maybe now is the time to buy the dip. Consider this: EV certainly plays a significant role in their strategy, but have you looked at their portfolio of companies and what they have planned? It's a very different game. My companion looking. Beyond automobiles, it is evident that Tesla is more than just a car company. It is an energy powerhouse. The innovative Powerwall, the wide variety of charging stations, and their foray into robotics are just the tip of the iceberg. Tesla's Megapack is a game changer, with projections suggesting it could surpass car sales by the mid-2030s or even sooner. The vast gigafactories and robot taxis. This broad vision highlights Tesla's unwavering pursuit of innovation on several fronts, securing its position as a leader in influencing the direction of energy and transportation in the future. Tesla's portfolio is as innovative as it is varied. Elon Musk isn't merely playing in the EV sandbox, he's also playing the long game, applying pressure to rivals until Tesla is the only company left standing. Then there's the China problem, where their enormous output might overwhelm the whole market with automobiles. It's a calculated action with broad ramifications, but here's the really bad part. When you take away the cars and you still have a powerhouse of innovation, Tesla is much more than just a car company. However, when you take into account everything else, particularly those fascinating robotics ventures, it's a completely different story. I'm referring to the possibility that in 5 to 10 years, Tesla will dominate industries we haven't even imagined yet. However, before you respond, let me ask you another question. Do you know of anyone else who shares your optimism about Tesla that would be today's sponsor? When it comes to Tesla's remarkable growth, Seeking Alpha is more than just watching from the sidelines for Tesla bulls and those with the keen eye for the next stock market jewel. Seeking Alpha is your one-stop store for the newest Tesla products. Targets for the price of Tesla's shares. Tesla, under your mattress and forgetting about them for a good 5 or 10 years. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. The man is an incredible juggler with his fingers in so many pies that it's difficult not to be impressed. Just look at the chart that shows the buzz surrounding Tesla's products versus the stock price. There is a gap there that indicates opportunity both short-term and long-term. Indeed, competitors are appearing everywhere, such as Rivian with its R2 and R3X models and the Cybertruck creating a fuss. But here's the real deal. With a history of producing high-quality products that outperform the competition, and let's not forget cost, Tesla is not worried. Tesla is selling automobiles that are comparable to luxury cars but far less expensive. Don't be fooled by the recent stock pullback. According to our data, we're looking at a solid plus 80 on the earnings score for the long haul. That's right, people, this isn't just a short-term play. We're talking about a year-long outlook here. And let's not forget about the resale value. I mean, we're talking about numbers ranging from 0 to 60 that will make your head spin, all for a price tag that is simply unbeatable. Every time Tesla releases a new product, demand soars, and before you know it, you're looking at a tidy profit. So what's the bottom line? Investing in Tesla isn't just about having a nice gadget, it's about securing a future return on investment. If you're considering leaving Tesla because of a brief decline in the company's stock price, reconsider this might be your ticket to the major leagues. Tesla is more than just a business, it's a movement. And with their innovation, affordability, and market dominance, they're positioned for long-term success. It's time to wrap up our discussion of Tesla. We've covered a lot of ground today, from Landon Swan's data-driven analysis of Tesla's future prospects to Kathy Wood's insights on stock selling strategies. However, before we go, let's quickly review what we learned from Kathy. The key to maximizing profits is maintaining discipline when selling stocks, especially when they fall below expected returns. Tesla is more than just electric vehicles. It's a whole ecosystem of innovation and market dominance. Now, here are some things to consider. Are you optimistic about Tesla's long-term prospects? Do you think the company's diversified portfolio will continue to outperform the competition? If you liked today's discussion and would like to receive updates on all the latest Tesla stock news, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next videos.